Welcome back everybody to Chanelly767. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's series is the finale of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767, and we are going to learn how to apply nude lips. Once again, just a few disclaimer, everything under this series is my personal experience in the beauty industry for quite a while now, and I just want to help you as a getting successful makeup artist, or someone who just loves makeup, getting from point A to success. To get that trending nude lips all over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all over social media generally, is just a simple 3 steps. Brown, lip liner, concealer, and a lip gloss. Or you can just use a liquid concealer that you bronze with, concealer, and then lip gloss. Or you can just use a nude lipstick and just lip gloss, and that's it. So I'm going to show you different ways on how to get that trending nude lips that is all over social media. So the first, you're going to get a brown eyeliner or a brown lip liner, any one of your choice. You can use your eyeliner as a lip liner, all right? You can do that. So I'm going to use my phone for guidance. Concealer I'm using is an eyeshadow base actually, or you can use a concealer of your choice. This is what I'm going to use for the center of my lips. So basically I'm gonna apply it like it's a lipstick. So and I just do that, and then I blend it out like so. Make sure all this is blended. I'm using my phone. So once that is blended, now it's time to use your lip gloss. You can use just like this one is from Maxi in Strawberry, or you can just use a plain clear lip gloss. So I'm gonna use the Maxi one from the Maxi in Strawberry. And that is it. All you need is just a brown eyeliner or a brown lip liner, a concealer of your choice or eyeshadow base of your choice, and just a clear lip gloss or a lip gloss that have a little color in there, and that is your lip lips. That is it. So I'm going to show you another way using your concealer. All right. Right, so I wipe this off. Now I'm going to show you another way using your concealer. So this is the concealer from LA Girls, and this is the concealer in beautiful bronze that I use to contour with. And once again, any concealer of your choice will do. So smudge, get in it, and I'm gonna do this. Then I'm reaching back for that same concealer. You see my brush, dab, dab, dab. Real time, I'm giving you real time, nothing edited. And then I just go in the center. Now, the brush I'm using is a concealer brush. You can use a lip brush of your choice, or you can use a concealer brush. It's okay. Taking that finger and blending it in. Right? Right, so now that is blended, let us use the clear one today. So we're going to use the clear one, and I'm running out of, and then clear. Blend. And that is your next way to do your nude lips. You see, so it is that easy. Another way also is just having just a nude lipstick or a lip gloss to get that nude lips. But if you do not have a nude lip gloss or lipstick, you can just create your own using an eyeliner or a lip liner. You need a concealer for the center and a lip gloss. A clear lip gloss is preferable. So that is it. I hope that you enjoy this series of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767. I hope this series bring you a lot of information, and then still, if you have any questions pertaining to this series or any other series that I do, Makeup Artist Advisory Season 1 and Season 2, please let me know down in the comments below. So this is the finale of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767. Thank you so much for staying so long with me. Until the next time.